Surprisingly enough, the battle between Reverend Osubempa and Abraham Memoshe is still going on. Na say minya entiye bi metie nsem Abraham Memoshe wode ebeto dwa na wakasen bi na mekran mesre. Na nse ne ebeto aso no. Subscribe na click the notification bell no eno eneda screen so sisi a we na say latest news via ba wonsa ebeka. Abraham Memoshe eba live na media have lost count. Them say battle ne sha ase no me the Bremo part 1 part 2 part 3 me de ni na Bremo na sisi ade na krani have lost count meaning say we part 5 or say part 6 or part 7 or because we be reply na we so aba ahomache aba reply we be ya na we so aba ahomache na ende ahomache me sorry ye no not knowing na endra enyumre Abraham Memoshe the response aba ende ahomache me sorry so na me hu say Reverend Osubempa so camp omo de omo response aba na Abraham Memoshe kasa emu no de na wo kan ene se wono Abraham no wode nsensi ne boso se wo bema ya ban ne Bible e wo Ghana ha se wono Abraham ebe hwe ama ya ban ne Bible e wo Ghana ha se na Abraham Memoshe kasa asem na me so mu se mesre kwa me say Abraham Memoshe Sebi, is that how you see yourself? You see yourself very influential to the extent say wo be ma ya ban the Bible e wo Ghana krodia we mu Ghana ha se hwan na betu ma ya ban the Bible wo Ghana ha se na Abraham Memoshe ka am surprised, like I don't know Abraham Memoshe na adwen and the thought I just don't know, but sa asem na wo kan no e ma mesre ya na mesre serious ahomache na mesre atese enya sreke to ase ubetumi de onzesi ubu akasa be ma ya ban the Bible e wo Ghana ha se mission impossible sabi obonsam nankasa mu bonsam kra no onukro tumi nya sa bonsam a friend bonsam kra no sabi bonsam no wo hansa wo Abraham Memoshe o na so Bible yentumi mba ne Bible ye na also be ma ya ban the Bible e wo kro bi to say Ghana ha se e kra in sorry over 300,000 ewa krowem Ghana that be Abraham Memoshe na say Reverend Osubempa campaign so no assembly anyomo de iti one of Reverend Osubempa the junior pastors eba bonten e de semi betutu ja na wutie nsema na okan yes we beka say insio de ehwewa menka say pra wo ho ehwewo yie senia na wo di Abraham ho fel wono so so aggressive way attack Abraham no be hu say yes Abraham Memoshe we share the match na yengo ko tie nsema Reverend Osubempa the camp no wo mo de ba ebeto dwa efa Abraham Memoshe ho
ye closing sorry e wo Ghana ha na aba me ye dia dane poetry fan ansubesi ne Iron Boy asore heden ekoso Bishop Obi nima asore heden ekoso ebruka ogina no nanso omu naguso ye asore kama untumi go one single church and na person magresi na mu say we a failure in your quest of implanting common sense in the head of people. Say agina nya adwuma body nbebre and people like ha make asase common sense family member na mama na kenkan ni ababa mu am watie ye be kenkan scriptures am watie na ye hwia de dadwem no ye de baba beto afi na apachew wo be pachew papa afi na apachew wo po Australia ko wo be pachew wo so am say ye make kenkan Bible ye merudi Bible ye di nyame asem be bu senya wo do wano akasa wo di nyame asem e be gua nkrofo wo do common sense kasa no yemfie di nimje ni nyansa e be gua ye be mu se common sense ye kasa enyem esua e wo saso we so a common sense e na ye kitikiti bi utumi ba e be kasa tia mampanimfo president out ya kunya so sanwo e na abetya ne common sense because when your platform wo kire wa adwinti no wo na ba be kire o mampani common sense e wo Ghana ha ne ye di ne hel Canada Japan wo di ne nyansa a building the empire ayi ni pakese and omu na ji Kristo sumdi o se kwa me despatch omu kwa sore omu tua tight and offering obeka obi say and asofo ne offering e kofam one offering na kofam the other condemn me offering and na or the atu or the number na chenwe ya tro people go yi so and ya tro people like din wo so see the ba da disika na amanfo ti abrochire and omu di emrantie bi echi wo Ghana ha se wo so be ma ya ban the Bible and the Christopher na hell and ya mi bibi me hell wo betumi am ya ban the Bible wo ni so na briw wo kasa wo group wo gu no wo so am ya gu Bible am ya cross Bible me se wo ni so na briw wo ni so e briw
etiefo mo hu fire na eba no na we eye enkitwa mu munya so na montie se mote se wo ka Australian sensem bi se na omo kan se Avram Memoshe obi ye na adwen se wo de ne be ko Australia so de nsem bebre nsem a wo kan ye tiefo nye ize na osanso expose some things of Avram Memoshe kan se wonji Yesu Kristo ndi onji nyamindi na so wo bo eye a tape of Avram Memoshe na Avram Memoshe bo mpa ya tren krofo ana wo bo Avram Memoshe tape bia na Avram Memoshe kan se wo bi ayade ama no ka tren nipa ko se Nyankopon enhira o ana no ka se Avram wo kan se wonji Nyankopon endi no ende de wo bi ama wade inti wo ka tren se Nyankopon na se wo Avram unimade pano na so ahye na wo tren krofo bo na enye ize senia wa voice no senia wo kwa aggressive no be hu se enya agro yenko ne yenkofa ewa audio ne de mesremo ewa yie yenko nkotie
ye be pa duam wanom ye be pa mo jaduam wanom ena hwe composer ena odimina 11:30 otu ono mo ye life as ya bu the whole day ena nso sa hwe aka ho otu ye nhwenye yi me se oni Yesu Kristo di agro a tie mi yie Methodist in form Bible, ebe mo ni so abriwu. Roman form Bible be ma be se je wano mo nsa. Na Muzama Disco Christo Church form Bible ebe bo dam. Charismatic for the mai. Ye be kinkanya ba ba mu. Ana wo so beti punchline so ka so nkwa na anim kasa. Medical chia ene Abraham sumsum ni timi mu ena be kasa fa mu na makasa ya kire mo. Se adwema nya djuma body ne bre. I dare you so ye be ma be one just one day. Nekasa obema ya bandi Quran. Ewo Ghana ha. Kabeto Peter. Kabeto Peter wo Ghana ha. Oye bema na usu bodu. Na ujama truth. U condemn me Quran. And I condemn me Bible. I want you to come out. Say who to be one kasa obema ya bandi Quran wo Ghana. Make Christo sma be common sense echi. It is a challenge. And I know. And now I say na mada ye benya na me. And I'm Zuka be grand friend me. And I say yet in your presentation or speech, you were able to narrate your life now from Genesis to Revelation. Oh, Nampania will ebe fofro. I said, "Yeah, pel no anyemono." Tieniye, nsema me be kano. Ebe fofro, ebe gu onu honam se. Ebe onu honam so. Empompro what se krama aduane. Tieni me kan yie. Wo be ma ya bandi Ghana. Ya bandi Bible Ghana. Mesu na briwu. Uka se edi agro. Now can some kind of also. Debbie, if all Christians can be quiet, we will not be quiet. You can never ban the Bible. I dare you. Also, the man sorry than the poultry farm. Up to date, to me closely one single church. Tell me, sorry, I could say. Now, no one can say what you must say. Also, closely 9 churches. Ben, they say me from Ben, a woman my from Ali, a woman my from Bosu. Woman my from Major. And now we are like we say, oh, command this suffer who spend per man. Say and then some more life. You better buy life amount 50,000 times. Now ready. Register general for about so. You're ready. Adiana what now the jinko fosikan. I will condemn you suffer no more register my son. And check. Nanka opo Australia ko. Gidi bisa kwa unyan wura. Sa Gina nyetuma. O body no. A bit bread. I'm so better now one. No assassin, because when your followers be Emma Mutio, a 2 better, Missy Mimi knew what them. Miss Rebecca, I am throwing that challenge to you. Yanko Cassan say, and I'm in your popo, ever bo bipia, a Radina coupon, Giabo, Giabona Cassa, ye penachina to the Nisso, Yana, Giabono, ye penachino, and to the Nisso, but Yana. Now this is a sign of coupon or Muniasem. What about the scamming for? What one to Uswas Camis of Usbempa? What bribe? Once an hour show, who didn't get your picture 2 page, a man got a picture 2 page, or the amount for picture 2 page. Adaya, so for Usbempa, a bribe. Once one to say a bribe, you put be a bribe, or Nisicano, not only, and the engaged bribe na year, or Beji, or Musubedi, say a dreamer near Juma, body in the bread. King Kanya Babum, because you be Jaja Ogana 2019, Echo 2021. Senior, and young Kuana trumpet Sawano, and I didn't Casao. Ubana di Matema and Fano, Nimi Niwatem, Abra Mini Natem, and also Nimatem, chere na adwen na me so ma chere ma adwen or the far left na me so me the far right utumi tenase e chere ni wo ma say your mom bribe our money na ngege de na akwakoka we legalize bribery and corruption in Ghana na we say ngege akwaji bribe how about 2 pages so amanka da akwaji bribe em say wanka sa wonka asema na we are safe you ho because agye no enye adwuma odi ekomani bre wasori egu a kona kwatra se dada se wasori egu a empontifo ho brane enye obi so se wunya adwuma me 1.4 ho ene ya kan ponche no na omunam about 30 in number bema upa bekai ho ne emom na yenya adwuma mom na ponche ne emuo no emuntre me prapram ebu o mo gyananye ade na ye me ho ye adwuma papa de bia o contradict ho and what you had the prophet to say, I am involving. And so sorry, I'll be criticizing Christians. Say, I can't get Juma. Only a Christian now, person come to call ya home. But ya could ya my Yesu Christo. Bon, I Gino Modia say it in. Oko Kao say yes, you need a powerful. I don't know one confirm home. So common sense, so see a powerful. I don't know common sense in Ankasa. No any break. I get a man for to them just to get your daily bread. Say who here so for usmempa who here ni debate who here so for usmempa mejina wani mu no debate ai urade nyakopon o mejina wani na ono wo debate e na wadwane dem is say was accept debate no eti ye twan upo you honor that debate upo ubeba upo me see on this broadcast kamisa ye bi say was o press am o followers na ma why ye nyama bebre ni say nka wo ye me no anka osa upie na wo be pachaw hwe ade a Abraham be ye enre numre why a big mistake and I will show you the mistake you have done enra apprentice bi by oba papa ni bi ye fa ne Sadiki Buhari na oba because of ensema wo de atwa no de bia se obi
America battle
obi
American selection
akoma chief imam nantwie na empo se panimu akopani ncha akosra na na wonim sa wonim nimdie ne nyansa na wo adwene wo na wo de beto ano akade bia ma obiate na abranche ne bae e be class a issue na wasa ba be ka wa adwene che ne say waje bribe wo bete opeta sa wo so ye powerful wo so ye champion wo bo de mesie ye tie de papa ne kan
ase de sie ne senka e ni bank afia ye besi mu January ke be di 1 year
ma me forward ne kakra
that's yes ati me bi po ko ba ko ni bi ko ba to afana twe anko
tie de o kan yi o se sam na nye sa no tie me starting to a short and wo ba fili enye enwa de okoye o page nso kwa de caricature kra na akofa Yesu picture na o ka bibi na o ka we edamisa oni edamisa debate ba ma se wo na wa wini a enye wo na wo be declare wo ho omo tie ye ati debate no ene san de call ye no ayomo ana be kire se we na wini ye ana we na lusu ye. Why have you taken it upon yourself that within every 40 minutes we be a part of that particular debate edamisa ufri say no chire no in an area maybe I'm speaking as a natural person as a general person na uya wo dia 2 pages so because unim say we lusu at the end of the debate you be a simple question. So what is truth? Want to me explain the truth. As also kra na the nam. Enti wo and now say kasa atia Sadiki. No every nipam aba ebe church nsem wo na wo adwene wo nyansa wo na wo adwene so adwene kase yali nti wo na ba bechi. Tie nie papa na kasa tia no e be de besie.
na njo beti na 100
tie nyansa
Prophet Muhammad program but trying to share 40 so pastor also the power financial papa the papa
Oba Beslan
me na me ma was ti dia ko for come tisa
okay
na se se dey taka se se with the fashion se bi be short to zonga na ye ko se sana fadam chief imam feel se bi be short to le
okay
Eti Buhari asemi yaka ama wachire na nkini se akodati ebede won akakra se besi enne ko afe ne bedu gusua wo mo ka asofo wo mu politicians wo mu eti wo say
The way I'm casting, I say just I'm casting master, but assembly the area area. The JPR knew what the patch of the Strad.
Okay.
If you are fine, the whole use to see a Casacho. Because also I feel because no can buy no can say feel already no feel.
All right.
Also I will know.
Miniano. Nipa yeteninka. Aye Sadiki Buhari. Obia nim se enkamofo enfo manimu nyam enfa nyefam. Omo buo mu mpanimfo na omo buo mo ho. Na obi bia owo fadama enim se papa nimu nyamfo yi aye fa ne Sadiki Buhari. Ona e fadama mrantie ni na omo hene ene omo pani. Papa yi atumi atu anamon ati nyema bia ekoso aba be kirekirem. Na nia oso wo nyansa abatena ase a ye betie nsem wo bae ebeka fa papa no oso wo nyansa na unim se adwe na nya adwuma body ne bre papa pani asimu pen aba because ye dia to ano se wo ne ye champanimfo ade a wo sa wo ye news broadcaster BBC mu na wo se mo spread issues intino wo dia to ano muntie abamanum asem a ebekwa kodu Muslim community for no ho se adwe na nya adwuma body no ebre wo so be ma ya bande Bible e wo Ghana ha then wo common sense ne begu to be bia nso nka obie no no ma oni nyame adi esie a wotumi adi nkunim da ade a wo ye no ebisa ase batoma wie Sadiki Buhari onu ena e fadama fo na emrantie no ehene oye chief ewo fadama na owie ye obekasa wie ye aye de ye program enra no muntie Avram Ali Ben Mose response a ono edima fadama chief
both sides of all the resources go
muntie
God needs one thing money every week then almost go dim drop Marco we say Marco problem maniska say on beka say one fan in fianco masa one fan in fianco masa
Marco fa obi amaniska enti obekire sika koro aye de man se onu nso yo hene na odi ne monyam ene papa ni monyam eye chief imam atumi ye fam na obeji sika ebetwa entro no ubeba be prove saade no our Islamic community for nanim say initially you were inciting them against the church etimo soria and yakase say and a Muslim for beba so and omo baaye and o getima dwane and omo ye say obi aba be kasa ebie na no akasa akanyansa sem say empo yanko pani na so ensapan awo Avram o nyansa wonim se sanate na se wadwene ye adwuma wonim se wo kopani nchen a ye mfa nsapan ko papa ye dika be kasa se sofo so be papa ba ho no obechie ne nana ye papa chief imam papa ni monyamfo sei na mo bie wano a obie tumi nanim ye fam se yakoma ne nantwie oti ase mo kan o se na nso mo ye program o mo twa nantwie baako 40 enti agena nantwie baako pe ebe chief imam a Ben Moshe when you bring home and you one video and the two why you know any asofo bi de bia de papa na mo ka se mo gusofo wo so me pani mu ase so de ntwa ko wana na betumi akọ o che hini anim wana na betumi akọ na o se tutu anim akọ che na de na obi betena ba bi social media and ya to na no aka no basa adan na ntwe so che papa chief mama na se adwena nya adwuma o se o be ma ya band Bible e wo Ghana ha and look on the same before no. Mese sa utumi ma ye band Bible and now utumi bie wano with your boldness atumi kasa wo obema ya band Quran me jai Christosom abejo common sense family ye ni subri en wo de woni subriu ama oba life enra anaju 11:30 as at 11:49 now go see your life who we are no aside at all and pay say wo horoscope say don't answer fools what answer fools na so you are equally a fool
both sides of all the resources go this God needs one thing money every week Nane, almost would din drop.
A din drop.
Marco, who said,
Marco, or Henny, old friend will be. Or hidden one. What do I know friend will be? Won't you change no? Obey your life, our cassette of Osmempa. Now, who's a wakasetiano? Me, I'm a fraud too full. A catcher say, me catch your manager. Sakasa now, Kayan. A Santinibia don't say a yatimidie. And ya boa, and a quasian can hear to be Debbie. But your quantia only penny cassa and chill buo. So the catcher of pop and say, all sati up, who shoot my way, and I would dear back at your best sunny. Now, Utumi catch up a pop and you say, or no need a fear young son. Now, oh, be all your henny, I'll be addressing issue. Opening them, who say when you move Washington, like I said, Chiefy Mamma and Quadano, and then the manimal, I'll be claiming just 10 times. I've run the over so much 10 times. Why are they powerful? Oh, be me bacho, Nana, and one suya, Miss Low, Elbia Santini, me bacho. You're skeptical about this issue. Me no biafa, but ye man the kurena baby eta. Se wuni mo bia and our friend akwa. E mom so no, se wuni mo bi so a emfa nakwa. Enti no se wo be your life no, o kasa hwe o kasa yi. Se yakofa papa pani bia betena ho. E na ye man sika. Wo be ba be kire sika kora ye de man. Because I tell you say, this video, yes we are now da. Se na mo twitwa ye de, se ye se obi awu, obi aye say, na thanks be to God. Vindication is always there. To me, wipe away records, they are there. And to also never be proved to Yankasa and Munyanfo, your papa, I your friend of Sadiki Buhari, but be a man is coming, you will come and prove it. Say, I can't get to man, or body at the bread.
One family Chiaco, Massa, one family Chiaco, Munchani, you go deep drop. Marco, we say, Marco Pro, Yamaniscase, on the cassette, one family Chiaco, Massa, one family.
This is the game that you play. Unnecessary accusation. One meaning saying, now you see, baby, you see. Now I have when you, no pum pum when you, no man, I am correct. It's an old fret or hidden one. I don't know about the casa. Say, I dear person, young Passadiano. Young pet, Munya, dear Muyano, because so be on Cassan Fina, or the Gustifi mamma in Mwase. Now, be a command, or be so too for dia. Now, with your better Facebook, and a whole can. Now, who have rampo until so ye bunyaye, so for Usman Pachawa ye, who quite now Yakarakono, one country be a da. But when you betrayed his trust and loyalty, and I say, no, this boy is going too far. I will let the world know the kind of person he is, because on your truthful. On your careful. Maybe you have a beer line to fra 2 seconds. Now, Obisa Bibi, it's okay now. Hey, who name the Eba? Over Popo, hey, me, Abraham, hey, Obi to me, Obi. Me say you are already a prey because you are chill. So, also, quite politicians if we see a word deep. Oh, yeah, and yet idea, woo, and yet idea, Uber campaign among. And to know who you wanted, Dada. I put it to you. You're already wanted. Now, oh, Fred or Hini Obi. Oh, Sansi, ya command sika. Say, Ombe, there's a Hini name the left and right. A whole Fadama chief. One now bet in Yansa. The video is there. My cat in the camera. Again, the same thing is going to happen. Not me power sempa. But me, Obi, a woman, papa, me, funny panning yada for. Me, no dean commodity send ya. Yet, kill a guy now, boom. But, oh, peer yet. Oh, to be pure, and like I said, Sikan, Media, Meti. That's what in free. What cash what in free? Yet the bill signed by top source me here 2,000 balance. Yet the baba. The more the money enters the hand, the more curses that are released on your life. And I sound this warning to every Christian. Mum sorry na mama woni nya den. Because man get careful. And nipa bi di suban body ni fin. Adi wura ye mamu. Na no man be friend was a prof. Me be free school by asem catch him and say, "Mommy, from today onwards I am a gay." O de mamu support it. E me yen come boom and destroy boom samejuma. Obi say, "Bibi, please, it's okay." No, I know okay. Next time say who can someone who be gina ho. Who be kan yie. Who do nim je no nya sabeto ho. Ansa waka. Who nim say when ya so for usmempa. Who gu na nimu ase. Who kasa di twi obi ya. Ye mu ade. Jen, me wa be dimba party ma me no ni problem. Obi onim de bia nim say me respect ni papa me nso ni pa. na wo de papa ni mu ba be yefem hwe mo tie ni biem
both sides of all the resources cocoa this God needs one thing money.
And what do you need? What do you need? Oh, they're now here.
Almost what didn't drop.
It didn't drop.
Marco said, Marco Yaman on the cassette.
Moshe, within 24 hours, come out and apologize. Come and apologize to the chief of Fadama Youth. Okay, so sorry, I no buy. Huh? Okay, so sorry, I no buy Kasai. A friend will be. Say the sika, ako briben, ako ton, ako frana ba. Say omra me twan tro. Ekamfo ayin fo mu twan tro. Na enyo wonko a onana ana da so tia so bi na na so tia se. Etu bia wani die ni obuo a odi ma na busuafo. Wan kan ye minia. Mo say me no ni problem. Wan kan ye na wonim. Enti piebra na be papa ne chew. Piebra be pa ne chew. One can ye, Papa or you be, or your him pong, or your hinecassie, or any packet to one can ye to me catch us of Osman. I say, now you're madame for me, no didn't come up. But Mr. Dill will say, we are very ungrateful. May Ubekan and Mama Brown issue, make Kaima Yasi Nati, and you found the honesty. The same way, also your issue, may Jayamo Bion say, Dabi. But for a big man, an elderly man to do something for you in private, now to me, but Nasi in public, it did not come for what he did for you. Now, Uninkaye. Now, I'll tell you now, Muyadi, Meba, they say come out and apologize. So, why apologize here? Obemum said, when you be. Punches in Muyadi, see it. 11 something. Yemi
CSF4. I'm say beef ninti and Nadia Beda. Say me pana and Crofo where free party lie.
What is your kind? Or CSF? Enra. Yan shayin anymore the better nothing. Only Christo Bacona with you. Now, free sell the Casa. I'm a Christopher command what to a big borderman sending a man friend. We have no reputation to protect. Yet, if what task on what fit to obey any book or try market being Tiame. Moon penny for now, well, bet me, I want him in Yankee. Me bomb players or be new pattern or social media. So, what the papa new picture at all, and the yes to Christo picture at all, and mocking. Who bet you me the sad night, Mohammed? I dare you, if you say you are bold enough, do the same thing to the Islamic community. Me think I better pay time our Ghana. And Christopher, why are we sitting down looking at this man? I don't know. I train pardon more saying. What you smart this can never be kind. Also, being able to make us a religion is the cause of problems in this country. Sure, who the mom sorry to Jesus Christ? Our when you go say last minute. No, be said let him be. Munyan maninko. Munyan or ya bepem. Or your bepem. Na any power see omo. Our best say woman. I won't move before their time. A him for na sanko for the beko. One my young man that say, Yankee a clan for man. And to me, mean nothing. I will be say a clan. Not last minute or no repenting. Debbie. I'll be on no quite last minute or the impulse was here already. Bonia may and Miss Rofa Chelle. No radiation. No was saying ni pebi dada. Was so much that. What the about the Dimatam that quite have a problem. But listen, Yama Guinea Juma. Yama Guinea Juma. Because most of you said, why are you guys involving Muslim in this matter? Is between Abraham. Yes, the reason is Obia and Ubia or supposed to be part of Nenchi, Akako Pacho. Move chief imam. Muno. Nenchi again. Nenchi again. Because of more political propaganda and agenda. Munim say, I'm going to discredit him. What you asma? Yaba Pabu Harris Kikai. Or say, I'm supposed to be part or your young Kasayaba. Yet Dono, Papa Penasem, and yes, your Penasem. Now, okay, I be actually Chief myself be say, and so much will be at the Nenchiasem as to Chief Imam Bimwa. What should be done? or said the Abetanasi. Yakotanasi as a penny for. Now you're training your base any panel, but Nippon find easy. I didn't ranch Yabayim Wadiesa. Because when your followers do Mwadi, no beer cassa anyhow. Bishop Communist Yamwa. That means, Adabraga, Papa, Yaminka, Opa, Obama Matila women, Majetu, Maja. Ye mwaso for penny for Ghana yen faso for nyeshi. Ye faso for nyeshi. Ye slack on for a chain asofo. And the Christopher, we have sold our reputation. Ya ton ye nimunyam. Because everybody thinks that we are sluggish and we are sluggards. We are meek, but we are not meek. Ye meek, ye near ding, ye pemo jasemba ye near ding. A Christopher ye loose. We are not a beer fire full. And will be a starting church. No cassette cremosom, and Christosum, now we giant cremosom for. Now and not your name, yes, say Christopher, no to because I may abandon the Bible. Hey, it will never happen. It will never happen. Yentino, say I Gina and Yajuma, body never break. And Papa Betanasi, now I can't join old videos. And yes, and your concert near you. They said you can't grandma your page. Can't tata your page. We are speaking facts and record. Who says he come from some that? Maybe board you are mwati. I did the first expose. If you respect my father, I will respect you. You can say whatever you like. What bribe me? On not to say, on not to me. Wumpo who be automatic say. Wumpo, you to me the $3,000 if you are butcher the brew. Yeah, bow. Wumpe, Australia co. And to won't yet say your name our family. Now we collect. Chop and insult. That is your philosophy. Share. You need to grow.
CSF4. I'm say beef ninchi and Yabeda.
Oh, na. To me, na. What did you carry? What's a CSF4? Beef ninchi and Yabeda. Obada. Obeka Yesu akoda. Oba beka Yesu. Akwakoda. Mami, Jonda chiwu. Na eye Christo sumu. Ana mami titeo. Owo. O ma mia brewa or work a kurase. Now only Yamesum Sass ye. Now no I first of Ubia or Mudina Ankrem. I don't come to say a movie. Say the movie crana. One name says Saudi way doesn't make sense. It's a movie. Now Obijin Ankrem carry the amount of for so long. Now we say I software so I have said it. Anybody on social media. I'll bet you near back out. I can't suffer to pay you penal. Send me and my Jinisika Krada. Omra out no me with any evidence. Oh, mama, dear cramming. Yeah, sorry, yes, Antanasi. A chess common member, so move from Polidi. O cast on our Ghana ye. O now chair common sense. Say, I saw for Nico here, you see, Uncle Yanka. Last year, only the number of outreach programs here. Utu McCann wasn't. This year, only the number of outreach programs here. Utu Futu Kofoni for them to see you as a saint, the way they're quiet to be on. Sure. No, we said, why don't you spend time and preach on Jesus? And hey, Ochela, you may preach you as sorry and a power public. But or buy out 10 times. Yes, you may fight it 10 times. Now look at the typology here. Or no boy of a petty beer. Ni views a suit cosmo. No, a promoting. And to attack you, papa, you have a pen feel. Let me small be attacking. Yes, you are the building. Do you have your building, your uncle? Okay, I say. Upano most of us, and even here, it doesn't make sense. How can somebody be on Facebook Live with 1.3k viewers? No, baby, not total views, a new 10k. Media cast so much on Fakwa Dream. You want conform to me to my see to me manipulating a shooty views. But open soda. A short one may be a phone lines at 2. Not more from me, Yanko.
CSF4, I'm say beef ninchi and Yabeda.
Obeda. Open soda.
And Crofo, where you free party. Lie.
On that. On to me now. Montiano. Australia quine a BC. Australia quine a BC. And some war and some polo eba. Tiano. Sign the question we're going to Tiana, yeah. But before me, sign the question. I'm not press and I'm not thing. O just show one casababa. And then the light and best so. Team light and the so light and yes so. Bra out 10 times. Someone reply me so I'm assuming, hey, Udo Paco check videos almost all them from the Google. They say I sit to attention if Jesus so. What the basso for Usman Passo? They are born where you feel so. What they are better than Miss So. They are sure my dear baby, so you have become a tata so. They are sure my dear called the last person so. Sajina Yejuma, and can also say, yeah, punch on giant and can attack Jesus. But I give in Yejuma into body, oh, bread, and I do 12 o'clock. What better say, oh, die now, oh, better. You're back in Kenya, Babem. Castle Colonel Casa.
CSF4.
Before me go, you can be said the Boba could be more. Or by Australia, or the Winyansa. What Jenny, and then answer what Jenny out the name. Oh, more your CSF, we will put Namia family. I for young. Tiano.
I also been invited me to Australia. Australia,
Emisa. Oh, Australia, go. Now, Australia knows some EBP. Say, I join as a frigid Registrar General's office. Say, wo, all registered yet. Now, that ability. Some of you sue a movement of that sort. Some of you scar. We shall see. Yabemo is a supposed to be panel condemned. So on the Jasper Mexican Utria tax, Utria Nema, Utria, I give you also Chama government. Now where? Ubai, you found a way to turn the heart of people against politicians and against pastors. Send a bear come as someone, Otikam, I do politicians. I'm not a Christian, I'm a Buddhist. Tiano,
I also been invited me to Australia. Now I am going to be an man.
Wait, you account on Facebook. Say, I didn't need my body in the brain. Or be so to call Australia, you can't on Facebook. Ah, or be so to call Australia. Press some more better now, and I walk. So, beside a gun, if you're young, wait, you can't on Facebook. And you don't mean keep big secret, Kaka. Don't mean to Daka. Press a pound sword, over turn no can't open. They say Australia don't be console, they are better Facebook. Ah, my pa. That means say common sense in the Yejuma. Dear now, a year scripture go on or quote you a proverbs about Nyansa. Sa scripture no and Casamba and fat Jinu, a Casafa Nyansa, Nyansanko and a Jenenko. Mutiano, presser, or the secret baby, or so or Baba Australia, Mutiano.
I also been invited me to Australia. Now I am going to be an man. Australia,
na mi ma dia e da mi sa dia ye no san kofo ya wo so be form work Australia no otu wo se wo na wo impact wo mo kire kire wo mo e bi o man twin you are the one that incited them ejino what go part wo mo tirim o mo me fa wo Australia na e da mi sa o si mi sen o si mi sen oh, Simu saying, say, you have found Australia. Tell us why. And there is some making submissions 5 and afterwards one making no target. Tell us why. What was that same biba? What was the problem biba? It went for 1 year see a misaswa. Problem biba. Right after the program yesterday, who would you see a demisaso? I protect old videos now in the debate. Who truth crowd want to me and define it? Truth. Want to me and define it truth. When you see the brew, so the over my abandoned Bible. Oh, dear crow. What's the Australia?
I also been invited me to Australia. How I am going to be a man. Temisa, Australia, Yana, Temisa.
It be you where you do me like this, hey, Demisa. Be you where you do me like this, hey. Because the sound 3 times. Now, question when I am then Muti.
I'm dang, Elisa Moji Demo.
Who is over kind years to Christopher already? Muti or say, I'm dang, Elisa would the dear. Yes, to ban a boo, son. Yes, but what boo? Muti.
I'm dang, Elisa Moji Demo.
Munti Australia no o ka Australia de na no de aden mu de de wo no to asotie die
CSF4 I'm say beef ninti enya bia beda
untumi na
nkrofo we aye free pan
untumi na obeda
menda
ye gira ma Kristo ye bodam dia man se na mabodam ma common sense ye chem se ye doso chem ye nya makwan se esi on paya abo bi atumure mu bi enti ene mafa yefo ana mo jai other religions wo be fa ye ho didi ene bank ne gu ebu fo ne fa ma anisi fo ne fa ma Australia fo block ye be ye besie so for usem pastor ko be hu mo ba ma obi no ene wodi na tem no ye se wo fre na no me nkwa na abaje woni sister bia minim no mo ye pe
okay elisa mo je den wo
ye nyi wo ho ye se ja Yesu Kristo ni enya ho if you leave our Jesus we leave you say agina nya djuma body ne be bre anti ja Yesu ni enya ho jano ni enya ho menni watam on sa on chiro punches na no den ye tell me
CSF4 I'm say
e be ba ko no ka Australia no
CSF4
that be anyway
Oba ya santo na akase.
Oba ya santo.
Invite me to Australia.
Ye ni denti apese okrokro ma me no. Ye ni. Ye dia se fridge ni. Eju be se odada na obe fa okro Australia. CSF for Ghana for umamoni na ho. Ujanfo be se okro Australia. Obejam wo ho. Na P Black die. Ene ideas man ka sem bi. P Black utie mi a dwane je wo krankwa. Wo be kase ti asofo. Say asofo ye greedy. Wo be kase ti asofo. Wo support bribe na Yahuda akwa gisika wachi a wapam no. Bring back oppression. Bring back Yahuda. Wo se bribe ye. Say ye ma bribe by Chinedi. Na Yahuda akwa ji bribe. Yahuda. Yahoo. Me di Yahoo chiremo. Yahuda so akwa ji bribe. Awachi a wo de wo so wapam no. He that seeks equity must come with clean hands. Equity demands equity. The idea wa enyo de no emfa nye wunia. Se adwena nye djuma body ne be bre. Wo wa bie wa no aka se bribery eye yenyi bribe na yenni. Na wo bie wa no apamu Yahuda. Huh? Obiantino bring back Yahuda and let P Black go. P Black much na che. Akwa read the Bible. Na wo tia no, na wo twade na wo bono. Wo do nu asem bono, anya physical bro, wo nu asem. Wo de hwe no akwa yi abre no wase wase. De kira wo. Obi a support bribe. Adenti no apam Yahuda. Obi a support bribe. Adenti ana wapam Yahuda. Boni ben Yahuda ye. Boni ben onu so kwaje bribe. Enti Abraham ben Mose se wo se bribe ye. Enti no obi bribe wa gine didi a mesraw me pachaw minie mi tufo a humble reply me pawocho pa ma Yahuda nsamra no me na juma na onu wa nanti a che wa bram ayamfom so na aba ne nsa ne pai na num ne pa no enti enesa pa na mo wache na bring Yahuda back. Yahuda must return. Hey, Yahuda must return. Afi me be kire wade pressure a eba mi nuane so hwe ne me bi ekoso
men church osade no Abraham men church asem na wo kana say vampires calling themselves CSF no Abraham enyama
the people that helped you are from vampires all because they requested for accountability. Who ye juma say juma no ye ni yi a yesi bebu wa konta ono omanya ntokwa from vampires. Not just a so for usme bakwa de o dia chen. Na yes sound one way MPP national organizer na den. Yes. Youth employment they are coming out very soon. Wo mo ba be chire nsem ba bia wo sia ho no almost some bemoska. Now, what you never support no akasam, you will prove it. So, the Maya Band Bible. When the soon a blue so. Who can see a diablo? And I didn't casa, and yes, sir. Press some, I'm your dear. Bama, Obi also on in Yankuponi, Mohano. If you are so accountable, on your accountability, sorry, and for one group or the press, I'm going some of my back.
I have a message in the call. The message in the call. I was here back together.
Tierney,
me and the big Pagana.
Munche.
But we are here near Swing platform. Now you're fighting. Now you want Ghana youth to know almost solid yet to man. Now paying fighting yet to man on my year. And you're Juana. Every will go. Almost a 20 year and Fasua Abraham Binya.
Yes, yeah, accountability.
Enemy of progress. Now, some for putting us a month's son. Mube bread.
Munche. Was a son for phoning them once a son. Mube bread. Avram said, on yin yankupon bien ye. Tieno, be also in yankuponi. Avram, move on, sir. My brother, my ex-beloved brother. I love you so much. Muntieno.
So be Pia over online. Who said, wouldn't you be Coswa? Yano. Found to Akuma,
so no pay them. Yababon Pay.
Piala would say, see us at the corner. When you break, found to Akuma, so pay down 7.5.
Kadimachi.
When you bring your own life, so
Kadimachi. Dear God, I can't hear Juma, O body bread. Only Yankuponi. Dear God, Namena no. Obia winning Yankuponi. Also the bonfire. Dear God, me say you can't fight truth and win. Oba out 50,000 times. We have no reputation to protect. Because of Jesus. Because you wouldn't. You are in Mutana. Only heaven me. May I say heaven or a boho? And moving nada a bohosamita. There say heaven in you one. No say Yankuponi one. Or the bonfire.
Friends are progressing. I envy and jealous them. Just as I am envying CSF. God, I am a witch. I am a wizard. Kill me.
God, kill me.
Say amen.
Was the amen at Twasso? A Christopher Bible. Yamina Hamnel. Uni Yame Bacontaqua. I could be at the video. Members may do a ha. Oh, the man finds a fridging. Dear God, what pay down, sir? Because they say by your accounting, you know, also many bro, they envy you. And don't know the bonfire. Unia, bonfire, me uncle.
Who said, wouldn't you be Coswa? Yano. Found that to Akuma, so they pay down, sir. You have a bonfire. Obi Piala would say, CSF, Conanim, when you break, found that to Akuma, so pay down.
And to the be a more demark CSFR. There, they try near to Calvary before so. And to me, a ding, as yes, a force of moon panel or moon moana. After the or the Yankupono, Elba Chichel or Mwakere. Or no, someone saying Yankupo being one my bonfire turn out here. But when we say, dear, you know, dear, I just say, Yammy bum. Me baby, be a phone license. Before I know fire for 1 second, near call. Near King Kanye Bam. Oversee the scripture by quite no problem.
When you bring your life,
when you bring Yamo Bompire.
Dear God, when my friends are progressing, I envy and jealous them.
Yes.
Just as I am envying CSF. God, I am a witch. I am a wizard. God, kill me. Say amen.
Amen. Ponsemable. Prophet Abraham. I'm enjoying the beef from both camps. At my stress level reduces after I'm at my leisure time. My boss, you do all what it. I mean, Pamela, common sense lady back on. So Pamela must me pronounce him. There is no God.